This is Tanya from Barbie Gets Real, and this is my daughter-in-law, Katie.
Hello.
She's a hairstylist, and I thought it would be really fun to unbox Barbie Hair Fair 50th Anniversary doll with Katie. Had it for a while, and I've been waiting to unbox it, so that's what we're gonna do today. Go ahead, Katie.
All right, let's get her open. If I can. Oh man, these scissors are a little big. Let's see. All right, Grandma, let's get it out.
Now, this doll is from the late 1960s, and I remember these hairstyles. For the first time around.
Oh man. So which one should we do first? Let's try maybe this one down here.
You're the hairstylist.
All right.
So it says in the late 1960s, the big trend was hair. From big hair to ever-changing hairstyles, even Barbie doll embraced this mod fashion trend in 1967. And I was 4 years old, and I remember my mom's hair being like this.
There we go. The long blonde hair.
It says Barbie Hair Fair doll offered a complete wig wardrobe that allowed Barbie to change her look to complement her on-trend outfits. Like the original, this anniversary set includes a flip braid, a fall hairpiece,
fall hairpiece. This one,
a crownette headband. Oh, that would be that.
Yeah.
Crownette hairband and a brunette wig.
Yep.
She's wearing a bright flower power dress. 50th Anniversary Barbie Hair Fair doll celebrates this iconic fashion era. Her look features chunky, oversized earrings, a cute asymmetrical bob hairstyle, and rooted eyelashes.
Ooh.
Everybody had those in the late 1960s.
I guess I should show you this way. Yeah.
Styles may change, but one thing remains the same. Barbie continues to inspire the endless possibilities of fashion.
Alrighty, this came on the back of it.
Okay, she's authentic. Isn't that so important today to be authentic?
So important.
So important in this day and age to be authentic.
Oh, they really know how to package these Barbies. Okay.
Oh, they're not coming out of there by accident.
No, they are not. Oh my goodness.
Don't kill yourself.
I know. How do I even get in here? Grandma, I may need some assistance.
All right. Here's her stand. We'll start with the stand.
That's a good idea. Let's get this trash out of the way.
Start with the stand. So she'll have somewhere to stand. Oh, you got her out? Oh, her shoes.
Her one shoe is attached. That was the problem on the bottom.
Ah.
That's what I'm saying. They're
big
quite attached. Hold still, Barbie. Don't want to cut your heel off. And that one's still attached on the back.
There you go.
There we go.
So let's get her up on her stand.
Okay. Okay, Grandma.
I can't keep a shoe. I can't keep a shoe on a Barbie for my life. No, I had stylists. All right.
Man.
Let's see here. I put putty in the shoes to keep them on because I can't keep shoes on.
That's smart. They never do stay on their feet.
They're gonna know we're amateurs.
She does not want to stay on this stand.
All right. Poor thing. Hey, she's got painted toenails.
She does.
I don't even have painted toenails. All right, here we go.
Alrighty.
So she is very fashionable. Flower power.
Okay, so this hairband is stretchy, which is nice. Let's see if we can put it on her. Okay.
You can turn around first.
Let's see, Barbie.
I like those eyelashes. I think we need some eyelashes, Katie. Katie.
This may be easier said than done.
I'll hold the doll.
This may be easier said than done.
Was there an instructional video?
Nope.
That's what it's. I wonder if that's how it's supposed to look. Oh, look. Oh, it goes. She leaves her bangs. We were not following the photographs.
There we go.
There we go. She needs her bangs out.
Oh, come on, Barbie.
Well, Katie's a hairstylist, but she wasn't alive in the late 60s, so she's got a little learning curve here.
There we go.
All right. Hairstylist number one. Hairstyle number one. What's wrong? Hey, we wore this stuff, Katie. We wore this stuff. All right. So you're not a big. You're not in favor of this one.
Got a little gap in the back, but it's okay.
Well, it's a Barbie wig.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's hairstyle number one down here with the hairpiece with the headband. Okay, let's try the next one, Katie.
All right, let's remove the long hair. See if we can't get that headband out.
And what was this called?
Oh,
it's this one right there.
Yeah.
That's Grandpa cooking and baking. All right.
All right.
And this is this hairstyle, and it is.
I think this is the crownette headband.
Okay.
Did we put it on right? Does it look like the picture? Oh wait, I think it needs to be flipped this way with the flowers.
Okay.
You know what? The 60s hairdos.
All right. Well, Katie's gonna start studying 60s hairdos for the rest of my dolls. I like it.
That one was a little easier to put on.
That one was easier. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're gonna try the braid.
The braid.
Now I had one of these. My mom used to put my hair in a ponytail and put it in a little bun on top of my head, and then she would wrap one of these braids around. So I had this big braid on top of my head.
Actually,
very stylish. My mother dressed me like a Barbie, actually.
This
is
braid.
This one.
Okay, so
this crown braid is like this. And you put it on.
You clip it.
You clip it on.
If I can get it unclipped.
Clip it. Clip it good.
Clip it good. There we go. Okay. So it's supposed to clip onto this side, if it will.
Yeah, but it's going the other direction. There you go. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
We can get it to go underneath her hair. There we go. Oh, Barbie, this is not really made for her head.
Obviously. Well, you know, it works. You just have to.
Just gotta kind of hold it down a little bit.
That's what tape is for. That's what tape is for. I think it's pretty.
There we go. She's looking good.
Okay.
Alrighty. Let's see if I can get.
How do you get that open?
I know, it's hard.
No, my mom used to, like I said, put it on the top of my head, and then she'd wrap the thing around, so I had a little bun on top of my
really
head.
Cute,
really
Grandma.
cute. Thank you. All right, and for our final masterpiece of it, for our final mess of the day, we are going to do the brunette wig. My mother was brunette, and she had a blonde wig like this.
Oh, really?
Yes. The dress cut like that, except for it was gold, and she had a blonde wig that she wore out.
Alrighty, let's see if this works. Was that holding it together? There we go. Perfect. So this one's tricky because you do have to hide all of her.
You need one of those little wig caps like I wear when I put a wig on.
Yeah. You wear wigs, Grandma?
When I'm in plays and stuff, I do.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Saying secret life of Grandma Barbie.
No. Not around the house, I don't. That's cute. So there she is as a brunette.
Does Barbie look better as a brunette or a blonde? Should she have always been a brunette?
Well, I think there's options. Everybody's got options when you've got wigs. Well, I like it. What do you think?
She looks good.
What do you think, Katie? All right, there we are. The unboxing of Hair Fair Barbie 50th Anniversary Edition.